This soap right here cleared all the pimples and acne breakouts I had on my face. Stay put and I'll show you how to use this soap to clear all your pimples in just 3 days. I told you guys I had this terrible acne breakout that was so frustrating. Like, I was using different acne products on my face and it was not even going. Like, it was looking like nothing was basically working. And the annoying thing about those pimples is that they are so painful. Like, this was the major acne breakout that I've suffered in my life. Other times it was always like getting breakouts when it's that time of the month. At some point I was just so tired and frustrated, like I had to ditch or pack all my face care products at the time. Guys, it was really frustrating till I discovered the soap. This video is not an ad, this is something that really worked for me. So my skin have basically gone from this to this in just 3 days. So one thing I got to observe about this Retin-A soap is the fact that if you do not use it properly, you might not get the results you're looking for. So I'll be walking you guys through how to use this soap. All you need to know about this Retin-A soap to clear all your pimples and acne breakouts. So before we dive right into today's video, guys, please do me a favor and like this video. It goes a long way, okay? Now, I can boldly say I know how frustrating it can be to have pimples and acne breakouts on your face, because I really saw shaggy. Tell me why I'll be jumping from one acne product in my routine and none of them is even doing anything. Like, they were not showing signs that they were working. The worst part is you keep jumping or going from one acne product to another and none of them seems to be working. It can be so frustrating. If you're one of those people that struggle with acne and pimple breakouts, guys, I understand your struggles now, because tell me why I was not even patient with any of these products. If I just use you like 2 or 3 days, I'll throw you one side and look for other products that I'll use. Even though I know that consistency is key, like I was not even patient. I'm not going to come on here and lie to you guys, because the product was like, it was not working. So when I get this product, try it out for like 3 days and I'm not seeing anything, I ditch it and go and buy another product. Like, if I show you guys the different products I bought for acne, you'll be like, Judith, wow. Like, my face was so terrible. I was feeling like I was at my wit's end because I was constantly battling with my own skin. It was taking it toll on me because that week I was not even able to be making videos like back to back. I was really depressed. But then when I came across this Retin-A soap, everything changed. Now let's talk about this amazing soap. So the name of the soap that actually cleared my pimples and acne breakouts that I had at the time is this 24K Retin-A soap. And this is what the soap looks like. This is what the soap looks like. It's a 100-gram soap and is made by Silag. This soap is specially formulated to remove acne on your skin, and it has little to no fragrance. I've been using this soap for a while now. In fact, let me show you guys what is left of the soap. So this is the soap right here. So this is what is left of the soap. I've been using it for a while now. Of course, you guys already know that Retin-A is a derivative of vitamin A. That is your retinol or your tretinoin. And this retinol basically helps with cell turnover. So if you're someone struggling with fine lines, wrinkles, or acne on your skin, this particular soap is basically going to help clear all of that. Like, it's a soap that will help to treat your acne and at the same time smoothen your skin texture. This soap contains different amazing ingredients. I can't really pronounce them, but the major ingredients in this particular soap is tretinoid, and that is 0.5 milligram. Like, that is the major ingredient in this Retin-A soap. This soap also contains surfactants, which are your cleaning agents, and I believe it also contains moisturizing ingredients like glycerin that will help to moisturize your skin immediately after cleansing your skin and make your skin not to feel drying. Now let's take a look at the different things you stand to benefit or gain when you use this Rectin A soap. So using Rectin A soap can actually help to unclog your pores, improve your skin texture and your skin tone, and as well tackle your acne or pimple breakout. However, if you use this soap wrongly, you might end up with redness, itchy skin, or the rest. So in other words, how do you use the soap? So first things first, you need to understand that it's not all products that work well with retinol or tretinoin. So when you're using this Rectin A soap, you should avoid certain ingredients like benzoyl peroxide, AHA, BHA, glycolic acid, salicylic acid. Even your vitamin C serum should not be used together in the same skincare routine with this Rectin A soap, because it can actually break you out or cause you irritations on the skin. So if you're trying to pair them in a skincare routine, please use your Rectin A soap at night and use your vitamin C serum in the daytime. Like, it's better to use this product alternatively in your skincare routine than using or mixing them together in the same skincare routine. So if you're using Rectin A in the night, use your vitamin C serum in the day, as well as your other skincare products. Do not pair or combine them in the same skincare routine. For me personally, when I started using this Rectin A soap, like, I already ditched all the products in my face care routine at the time. I left my skin to rest. So you can choose to do that if you want to find out the cause of your acne, or maybe if you're thinking that your skincare product is contributing to your acne, then you can also discontinue all the products in your routine. So another thing you need to note is that this Rectin A soap should not be an everyday soap. So another thing you need to know or have at the back of your mind when using this Rectin A soap is the Rectin A soap is not an everyday soap. Like I said earlier, it's a treatment soap. It contains tretinoin, and if you're conversant with your tretinoin or retinol or your vitamin A products, you will basically know that they are meant to be used like once, twice, or at most 3 times weekly. Like, you have to add them gradually in your skincare routine if you're trying to use them. So if you're starting out with your Rectin A soap, do not choose it every day. You want to start gradually, like do a patch test first, see if the soap is going to itch your skin or react on your skin before diving in with full force to start using it. That way you'll be able to avoid any other irritation. Now, personally, when I started using this soap, I started using it at night. Like 2 minutes before I go into shower, I will just splash water on my face or wet my face, then lather this on my face and allow it to sit for like a minute or two before I will rinse it out. Like, that was for my first day. Next day when I woke up, like, I saw a lot of improvements. It was like the big pimple on my forehead that wanted to come out have drastically reduced. So I was like, okay, it's working. The next morning, when I actually noticed that the soap was actually good on my skin and it was really working, I went in to apply the soap again that morning because I wasn't going out that day. So I applied the face on my soap like 2 or 3 minutes before going to take my shower. I think this time I left it for like 5 minutes before going to take my shower. Guys, do not be like me. I actually abused this Rectin A soap because I really wanted to get the result that I wanted. It was so frustrating. Like, people that know me were basically asking me, is something wrong with you? Because I was terribly breaking out. So it was worrisome. Like, I was getting a lot of questions. Like, throughout the period I had the pimple breakout, I was basically avoid going out because I didn't want those questions. Guys, this was my face on the second day of using the Rectin A soap. Like, my pimples has drastically reduced. So I was now looking for a dark spot treatment to start using on my skin, and that was when I had to set up a new skincare routine. Now, one thing I basically noticed with this Rectin A soap is the fact that it's going to make your skin feel so much smoother. Like, whenever I apply this face soap and rinse off my face, guys, my face felt a lot smoother. And anytime I notice that I'm trying to break out, I'll just go in with full force to apply the soap and leave it for some minutes before I wash it out. And the next minute, like immediately I'm rinsing it out, I will notice that there's a drastic change with the pimples or acne breakouts that were trying to pop out of my face. So this is a very nice soap that is going to help tackle your pimples, your acne, get rid of your rashes. Like, I also had water reaction. I had water reaction here, and immediately I applied the Retin-A soap to it, guys. I went to shower. It was just like magic. Like, the effect was instant. It dried it out. So this is a very nice treatment soap that I would recommend for anybody battling with any skin issue, with pimples, wrinkles, or even if you have rashes on your body or you suffer from body acne. Guys, this is one soap I would say go and get. Like, it's very, very essential. It's going to help you tackle all those irritations that you usually get on your skin. It's a really nice soap, so using it 2 or 3 times weekly in your skincare routine can help to get rid of all your skin issues. Or basically, I would advise you use it only at night. Like, apply it only at night, like 2 minutes or 3 minutes before going to have your shower, and rinse it off. That way you will get the best results out of it. And when you're using the soap, you can actually use it as a treatment soap to treat your pimples. And once your pimples are cleared off, I would advise you discontinue. Do not use this as an everyday soap. Just use it like 2 or 3 times weekly in your routine, or use it to treat whatever you have on your skin, and then stop using it. It's a really nice soap that is going to help clear your pimples, tackle your body acne, and give you that smooth, beautiful, glowing skin. Yes, I said that. Go to me anywhere. Like, this is a really nice soap, and it basically saved my skin. So yeah, that is it on how I cleared my pimples in just 3 days using the Retin-A soap. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions or confusions, do well to drop them right in the comment section, and also drop a nice comment for me, because I really love to read you guys' comments. If you got up to this point in my video, you're the real MVP. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Liking this video will mean so much to me, so please and please go ahead and like this video. Subscribe if you're yet to. It's actually free of charge. And catch you guys on my next one. Bye guys.